güey.
Ready to commit suicide, he said. Hey, güey, te miraste como la viejita de Titanic, güey. What the fuck was that little jump?
Hey, at least I have the fucking balls to jump.
He called you out, bully.
I give a props on that one.
Don't even say that you're from the fucking woods, eh?
Yeah. This guy just recently moved in. Now he can
Don't
claim
think
it.
about it.
You're from
Just,
the outskirts.
hey, Mark, just get good position. Yeah.
How'd you even get up there?
You know where Lake Tolick is? Lake Tolick? Yeah. We used to jump off that bridge.
Let me get fucked up.
I didn't open my eyes though, but...
Hey, your camera's not even get wet, dude? Or you guys
You closed your third eye, huh?
Keeping the Ziploc bag.
get fucked up.
We have it on the backpack, so it's all good.
We have it inside a backpack, inside a Ziploc, inside its case.
Jose, they just came back from trick-or-treating.
Especially the pink one, man. That's mine.
What the fuck that one for me, Jay?
No, it's for you, baby.
Hey, man, I told you not to tell nobody, man.
Hey, don't think about it. You just gotta go. Don't even think about it. You just gotta step out and go.
Hey, Ray, ese me dice, brincó tú, güey, nomás le hiciste así.
Hey, but I jumped, right?
Yeah.
Okay then. Mario. 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 Mario.
Oh shit!
You don't hit bottom?
When you hit the water, curl your toes like that, and you go.
Marty, you have the best feet out here. Look at your shoes. You have the best shoes.
You got the Spider-Man grip.
You can walk on walls.
Dude, I feel like my shoes are gonna come off.
That fucking hurt.
That was his balls.
Wally, go for it, motherfucker.
Mario.
Joey, try it out, dude. It's hella sick. First you're like a pussy, and then you're like,
Ay, cállate, güey.
cabrón, son más bonitos, mira.
It's hella scary.